Arkonik is the world's leading independent defender specialists and have been restoring and exporting the British icon since 2007. Arkoniks Headquarters are located in the Land Rover motherland, England. However, these hand-built and hand-assembled defenders are to be found much further afield after being restored and reimagined, in the USA, Canada and across the globe. All Arkonik vehicles are designed, built, equipped and shipped to meet with regional regulations and local environmental needs. Only 564 miles on this, the nicest defender I have seen in my 31 years at this dealership.